Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve open house events with HomeFinder, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by defining the objective of the open house event. Identify your target audience and tailor the event to attract them. Choose the right date and time for your open house. Make sure the property is in top condition before the event. Utilize HomeFinder's listing platform to showcase your property effectively. Create an appealing and informative listing with high-quality photos. Highlight key features of the home and the surrounding area. Promote your open house through HomeFinder's promotional tools. Use social media to reach a wider audience interested in real estate. Consider using targeted ads to drive traffic to your open house. Prepare informative brochures or flyers for attendees. Set up a welcoming atmosphere at the property. Provide refreshments to make visitors feel more comfortable. Use signs directing traffic to your open house venue. Engage with visitors as they arrive and provide personalized tours. Gather feedback from attendees to improve future events. Collect contact information from interested buyers for follow-up. After the event, analyze the feedback to refine your approach for next time. Continue to utilize HomeFinder for future listings and promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.